Hello. How are you this afternoon? Are you good? Oh, hello. Don't start fighting. There's plenty for everyone. We'll take one then. Hello, Scruff. Hello. Hello, Bernie. Are you coming down? You coming over here? Hello, Ruby. Hello. Hello. Are you going to be brave? Good boy, aren't you? Look. I know. You've got to stand up for yourself a little bit. Right, come on then, Bernie. Right, 1 minute. Can you take one to Ruby for me? You can take it to her? Good lad. Oh, no, you're going to eat it. Right, can you take one to Ruby? Come on. Scruff. Come on. I'm sorry about this, Bernie. Just give me 1 minute. Scruff, just take one to Ruby. You're going to take it to her? She's there waiting, look. He's holding it in his beak. You're going to take it to her? I think he wants you to get it. Did Bernie flying off scare you then, did it? Oh dear. Oh dear. Let me throw you some down there. There you go. There, you get those. Waiting on him there, look. Hello, Mr. Starling. Or Miss Starling, I'm not sure. You coming down? Come on. Oh, I'm just going to have to pause a minute. There's someone coming. Right, who's coming down? You coming back? Are you still there holding that worm? You can take it to her. You going to take it to her? Let's put a few down on here. Come on then. You coming down? Come on. Come on. You coming down? Well, I was actually talking to Ruby up there. Come on then. I know. It's no good clucking at me. I know. Do you want some more? Bernie, do you want some more? Yes? No? You just telling her, are you? You shouting at each other. Right, Scruff, you come and get another one. You gonna get one? No? What's the matter? Hey, what's the matter? Right, those are for Ruby. Right. No, they're not for Ruby, they're for Bella. Right, Bella, come on. You coming down? Come on then. You're not coming down. I'll leave you to it then. Scruff, would you like one more before I go? Do you want another one? Would you like me to pick you one out? Well done. There's a nice big one. Do you want that one? There you go. Right. But you took your time. You took your time, young lady. Yeah. You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick round here. Ruby. There's some there for you. You gotta be quick. You gonna get them? You coming back, are you? There you go. Want any more? You're going to take that to Peggy, are you? Be nice if you would. Where's she gone? Where's she gone? I can't see her. You're going to eat that one? Okay. Do you want another one? There we go. You want to get another? Come on. There you go. You're a good boy, aren't you? You're starting to get your ruffles again. You are. Oh, there's a high-pitched squeak. Oh, there he goes. He is actually feeding her. Come on then. Do you want another one? That's very good, Ruffles. I'm very proud of you. I am. Come on. Come on then. Good lad. Good boy. Do you want any more? Or are you going to be a brave girl? Come in. Oh, you swapped. I didn't see you swap with Peggy. There you go. Anyone else? You come in? You come in? No. Oh, there he is again, feeding Peggy. He's such a good boy. Come on then. Get another one? Tell you what I'll do, I'll put you a few on here. We'll hide them here. Harder to see for the others. There you go. There's a load there. Oh, you've spotted them, have you? You've spotted them. Come on then. No. Right. They're done that side. You have got some left on the post if you want them. Or are you coming to get some out of the tin? He says if the sparrow's going to do it, I'm going to do it. I thought you might. Right. There's still plenty on there. I'll see you later.